Hey, Sometime Kev's here. I'm in Poppy's kitchen today, and I just gotta show you. This dinner is so easy I could make it blindfolded. So this is just a skinless sausage. I think Eckrich is one I got. This is fresh broccoli I chopped up, fresh onions I chopped up. And I used my favorite sauce, which is not this. In this is Colby sauce and a little bit of teriyaki. Get it on there. I'm gonna let that simmer, brown all these, and while that's browning, the rest of it's gonna cook down a little bit. I don't like them soft, so I'm not gonna let these cook all the way down to soft. They're still gonna be crunchy, but I'm just gonna put a lid on it, and that's gonna take about 10, 12, 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna make a macaroni bake. And I already have the macaroni cooked, so that's gonna be easy too. This dinner is delicious and it's so simple. So I'm just gonna load my macaroni and cheese in here. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of evaporated milk. You could use any kind of milk or a little bit of cream, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna heat this up pretty good, so I want it to stay moist. And for all of you that watch my channel, you know macaroni and cheese ain't macaroni and cheese unless you add some more cheese to it. So I'm gonna add some raclette. So this raclette is not getting melted on it, it's getting shredded on it. Ah, that's gonna do it. All right, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, or on an 8 instead of a 10. Get it melted and hot, and then we're gonna put some breadcrumbs on it with a little bit of butter, and we're gonna put it in the toaster oven. And I'm just gonna set the toaster oven on toast, so it'll heat from the bottom and from the top. It's kind of like a double broil is what it is, and it won't take but a few minutes, and then that's gonna kind of get crispy on top and real melty and bubbly, and then it's gonna keep everything else super hot and delicious. Now, the reason we put this mac and cheese in the microwave is because it was out of the refrigerator and it was cold, and we need that melted. And it's gonna so that's all melted down, and it's gonna, when we bake it, it's gonna start bubbling. It'll lose some of that juice. So it doesn't matter what breadcrumb you put on this mac and cheese. I'm gonna do panko. I've got panko and Italian, it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna ever so lightly put this red pepper, a little bit of cayenne on it, and I mean very light, because this is not very much mac and cheese. And just a tiny bit of garlic salt. I like to pour this in my hand so I know how much I'm getting, because I don't want too much. You'll overpower this mac and cheese with these two ingredients, so be very careful. I'm going to give that a quick mix, and then the panko one. See, it's already looking good. Oh yeah, that's already looking delicious. Give a little bit of panko. Brown. Give it a little bit of a crispy crust on top. Get a dab of butter on there. It's the toaster oven. And I got that on toast, which is gonna broil the bottom and the top. So when that comes out, that thing is gonna be smoking hot. I'd say this is almost done, and we still got color. Great color. These are great. Hey, let me pull that out off the stove, plate it, and get that macaroni and cheese out of that toaster oven. This is a good dinner. You're gonna like this one. You gotta try this one. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Just so easy. So easy. And don't think you can limit that to broccoli and red onions. You put anything you want in there. You put cauliflower, carrots, mushrooms, yellow onions, white onions. How about no onions in there? Let's see how this turned out. Oh gosh, it's steamy hot. I don't think I can put this in my mouth. Hot. Oh yeah. So there it is. I think this meal took me all of about 15 minutes. Now, the key was I had leftover macaroni and cheese already in the refrigerator, but that happens all the time in my house. I don't know about your house, but I always got leftover macaroni and cheese. And this Eckrich sausage, it's a skinless sausage. That might be turkey. They got different flavors. You can experiment, buy what you like. A hearty, delicious, fast dinner. And it's for the most part, it's healthy for you. This is Summertime Kev in Poppy's Kitchen, and I will see you guys on the next one.